We are in the middle of a several days long rain. We are in the middle of a several days long rain. Kind of off and on, but there's been quite a bit, fairly steadily, not always heavy. A lot of wind with it as well. Very welcome. We're not one of the driest areas, but we hadn't had much of anything since the end of the snow in March and April. A few light rains. So this is very welcome. And we had a dry autumn last year as well, and moderate snowfall, so this is a very good thing. As I suspected, even in what are some of the lower areas out in the slough, there's no standing water yet. There's probably some other places that I don't get to that would have some water now, but none here yet. The rain continued overnight, at times quite heavy, and even into this morning still heavy at times. Now in the afternoon it seems to be mostly over. Still a chance of showers, so we could see some more. Supposed to, I think, clear into tomorrow and the next day. We'll see about that. They keep changing the forecast, so we might get some more over the next few days or not, but we've had a good amount, so that's really nice. Hopefully it doesn't just stay dry after this. Well, the rain didn't stay away too long. There's been showers off and on, kind of moderately heavy a few times and light and drizzly other times, which is all good. We are not oversaturated, certainly after the dry weather, and no rivers nearby here to flood. There are some areas closer to the mountains or places that in the foothills or past the foothills that get the snow melt in their rivers that have some concern with the rain on top of it. But in my immediate area, we're fine. There's a creek, I don't know, maybe 10 miles away or something, and I don't think that one's any big concern. And then the river goes through Rocky, but I'm not sure if they have, never really hear about flooding there, so maybe they're just in the right spot to not worry about it. My battery is about dead. The replacement battery is already back charging. This is already the second go for this battery today. They don't last very long. And I'm heading home, so that's probably about it for this video. Hope you've enjoyed walking around with me on the farm and acreage and seeing what it looks like after our early summer rain. I'll see you again soon, probably more garden videos and the wildflowers as they come along. And I've got to get the May video with the altar and the beginning of the time of flowers. Still working on that video as well. So see you soon. Oh, there's some standing water. How long it will last is another question, but this is a low area along this ditch, so the mosquitoes have got some chance. These are puddles in the driveway. These don't last long enough for mosquitoes to get in them and churned up by driving through anyway, so